So, well, guys. Here he is, the man of the hour, Neil Ferguson. So you guys may remember, some of you may remember, I did a video here. You can see on the 31st of March. So that's over the month ago now. About how this guy's a clown, basically. Neil Ferguson. The video was literally called The Clown Neil Ferguson, and it's attention-seeking 500k UK death predictions. He should be ashamed. Basically, he's the main guy that sparked our government into a panic, to basically go down a path that they now seem to not want to admit was wrong and step back from. But hey, there you go. Who cares about the economic damage? People that work, especially in academia, don't live in the real world. They don't know. They don't have a profit and loss. They don't have any accountability. They can literally just say what they want, get as much attention as they want, and then go and try and basically get women. That's my view, and here we go. Here we have it. Neil Ferguson resigns after breaking lockdown rules to meet with his married lover. So there we go. Professor Ferguson allowed the woman to visit him at his home during the lockdown while lecturing the public on the needs for strict social distancing. I just don't even like his face. I basically hate socialists, and pretty much everyone, all these academics, they're all socialists. And by socialists, what they mean is they know better than you guys, so they should be telling you what to do. So we should have a centrally planned, centrally controlled socialist government. That's what they all want, because they think they know better, but their true colours do usually eventually show through, and they just do what they want. Like this guy here, just doing what he wants. So the scientists, I'm not going to read it all, because obviously I'm not going to start my free trial or look to another page. It was just a quick update, yeah, just to confirm basically what I said earlier about him being a clown and he's an attention seeker, and yeah, there we go. So very quick video there for you guys. This guy pretty much responsible for probably I can't even think of how many billions of pounds worth of losses and positions that he's put people in that they find difficult to climb down from. So this is sort of my view on these lockdowns at the moment in the UK, especially, is that especially because that's where I am, not because we're any different in the UK. Just that the government has chosen to do something that's very damaging to a lot of people, and they can either admit they maybe have done something wrong, which is fine. If they admit, as soon as they get more evidence, then yeah, that's great. Admit you've done something wrong. Yeah, got more evidence now, and then let's walk back the situation. But what I think they're going to do, what I think they are doing, is they're just saying, no, we're going to carry on doing this, and yeah, everything's going to be fine. Nothing to do with the new information, the science that didn't really back up what they were saying. It's because of what we did was right, when I don't think that is the case. But they would rather just keep the pain going, and just say that, well, it's because we did all this, whereas I don't think it is. And yeah, they basically listen to information. Yeah, I was all for it to start off with. When I saw it kicking off in China, and I was basically talking about it on my Facebook, and I was actually getting laughed at. I was saying this is gonna cause a lot of problems. And then don't get me wrong, I'm thinking of the second derivative. I wasn't thinking like, well, I don't know whether this is going to be really bad or not, but I do know that the reaction to it's going to be bad. So whether it's bad, the reaction will be bad. If it's not bad, the reaction will still be bad. So I'm going to prepare, and I prepared. I bought stuff. I got ready. I got everything sorted. I even avoided. Me and my family avoided people for a couple of weeks until I kind of realised, yeah, it's only getting old people, it's only getting ill people. So I wasn't that worried. So yeah, there you go. It's not an overreaction. It's just reacting to the evidence you have. The government reacted to the evidence they had. Part of that evidence, in inverted commas, was this bellend. And yeah, and there you go. I mean, he was proven wrong. This aside, this is just a sideshow. This is just a circus freak show. Do you know what I mean? This is not even really part of it. He's not resigning from his job. He's resigning as a government spokesperson, which is nothing really. If he got resigned or kicked out of the university, I think that would be good. I mean, he would never resign from that. These guys are too entitled to resign from anything. But the university should kick him out, but they're not going to, obviously. But yeah, so so there you go. I feel pretty strongly about this. Don't get me wrong, it's not bad. It's not bad for me. I've got numerous businesses, and I just concentrate on the ones that I can do from home, so it's not a problem for me at all. I am speaking more from the perspective of the country as a whole and everyone else, and then also the fact that I can still work. Everything's a relative trade, isn't it, guys? Think about it. Everything's a relative trade. I can still work from home and crack on. So if you guys are all struggling because you can't work from home, I become relatively richer than everyone else anyway. So what I'm saying is, I'm not kicking off at this lockdown because I basically have some personal vendetta about money it's cost me. Because like I said, I am fine and I'm relatively even better off. So it's the fact it's just not good for everybody else. So right, so there, rant over, guys. I will speak to you guys soon.